In our channel, I'm going to start a complete tutorial about Microsoft Word 2019. I assure you this tutorial will give you enough understanding on Microsoft Word from where you can take yourself to higher levels of expertise. This is going to be the first video in the playlist. In this video, we will discuss what is Microsoft Word 2019 and we will understand how to start a Word application in simple steps. And also we will see Explore window in Microsoft Word 2019. I welcome everyone to my channel and this is EduRax Academy. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word allows you to create and edit documents such as letters, reports, emails, etc. The documents saved in Microsoft Word 2019 are saved with the .docx extension. This is nothing but document extension. Microsoft Office Word can be used for the below purposes. So these are the main purposes I have listed below. It is used to create documents comprising various visuals including pictures, charts and diagrams. Also used to create letters and brochures for personal and business purposes. We can use Microsoft Word to design different documents such as resumes, booklets, etc. And we can also create a range of communication from a simple office memo to legal copies and reference documents. Now we will understand how to launch Microsoft Word 2019 application in simple steps. We can launch the Microsoft Word 2019 in two different methods. The first one is click Start button. Using the scroll bar, locate the letter W. So here is the letter W. At the bottom, you can find the Word application. The second method is just type Word in the search bar. This will bring up the Word application. Just click it. This will launch the Microsoft Word 2019 application and you will see the following window. Now we will understand how to explore window in Microsoft Word 2019 application. So this is the basic window which you get when you start the Word application. Now let us understand the various important parts of this window. First one is File tab. You can click it to check the Backstage view. I will give you the detailed description about this Backstage view in my next video. This is where you come when you need to open or save files, create new documents, print a document and to do other file related operations. Next one is Quick Access Toolbar. So this is called as Quick Access Toolbar. This you will find just above the File tab. This is a convenient resting place for most frequently used commands in Word. You can customize this toolbar based on your comfort by using this options. Next is Ribbons. Ribbon contains commands organized in three components: tabs, groups, and third one is commands. Tabs. These appear across top of the ribbon and contain group of related commands. For example, this home, insert, draw, design, layout. These are all called tabs. Groups. These individual sections are called groups. You can find the group name at the bottom. For example, this group name is font and this one is paragraph. Finally, this one is styles. And third component is commands. Commands are individual buttons inside the group. For example, this is bold command. This one is italic command. Therefore, we have many commands inside the group. Next one is title bar. This lies in the middle under the top of the window. Title bar shows the program and document titles. So this document name is, title is document 1. Next one is zoom control. So this is zoom control. Zoom control lets you zoom in for a closer look at your text. You can use this slider to zoom in and zoom out. Alternatively, you can click this plus button to zoom in and minus button to zoom out. Next one is view buttons. These are group of buttons located to the left of the zoom control near the bottom of the screen. Lets you switch between different view modes. So this one is read mode, this one is print layout mode, and this one is web layout mode. And this one is document area. This big white screen is document area. This is the area where you actually type. The flashing vertical bar is called the insertion point, and it represents the location where text will appear when you type. Next one is status bar. So this is called status bar. This displays the document information as well as the insertion point location from left to right. This bar contains total number of pages and total number of words, language, etc. Finally, dialog box launcher. So this appears very small arrow in the lower right corner of many groups. So this one is called dialog box launcher. Clicking this button opens a dialog box or task pane that provides more options about the group. So this is the dialog box. So that's it for today. In our next video, we will see about MS Word application backstage view. I request everyone to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming content. Thank you.